just got his suits from China, from AliExpress, and we're gonna see how it looks. Get his facial expression. Is that it? That's right?
What dark gray to you?
That looks so dark gray. It's like not a light gray, but it's not a dark gray either. It's like in between. Excuse the bed. We just came from outside. Okay.
Let's see how Shauna do this.
Alright, so we'll talk to you guys later. That's what the pants look like, but we're going to talk to you guys later and have him try it on and see what it looks like. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, turn around. Greg.
What? What you got from Wish?
We got from AliExpress.
See if I can. Pants too big. Remember Drew Hill that had them big ass pants on?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't take this thing off. Bro, I look gay as hell with this, man. Oh, you already know I got feminine features on my face, bro. Chill.
No, and your little pink bow tie. Why are you running?
I ain't wearing no pink bow tie.
You are wearing a pink bow tie.
No pink bow tie. We do not agree on this.
Yes, we did.
No, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola.